Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to find the best viral YouTube tag in 2024, and if this video is what you want to see, please stay to the end and also do well to subscribe to my channel and tap the notification button so that when I post the next video you will be able to see it. If you are my new subscriber, thank you for coming across my video, and if you are my old subscriber, thank you for always watching my video and God bless you. Let's dive into the video. The first one is to use or to download vidIQ Chrome in your browser. This is my vidIQ. I've already downloaded it here and it gives me the analysis of what is happening and what I want to see. And if I want to use this vidIQ to look for a tag on a video I want to shoot, what I will do is I will come to this search bar on YouTube. I will type how to use CapCut and it will bring out options for me. Remember, I already downloaded this vidIQ Chrome on my browser. As you can see, that's why it's showing here. And when I tap what I want to shoot or the video I want to make, it has bring out the list of many people that have done that video on that particular topic. Then what will you do? I now check. Let's say I want to use this first person that I've already had 707,000 views. I will check how competitive is this video I want to make, and based on it, remember you have already downloaded your vidIQ Chrome in your browser, and it's going to show you, okay, this video that you want to make, the competition is high, and it's going to also show you that this is the volume at which people search the video. The competition is high and people are still watching the video. So I'm going to open this one because I want to see the tag to compare, if to know the type of tag I'm going to use when I make this video. So this is the video tag, and I'm going to copy this video tag and I will put it somewhere on anywhere I know I can be able to copy it, and when I'm editing my video. So you can copy it to anywhere you like. I'll copy this tag and paste it somewhere so that I will use it when I want to edit the video. Don't forget, I've already installed my vidIQ, which you are seeing here, and that's why this analysis was able to open for me to see how this video is doing, the analysis of this video, and how many, if the tag, see here now it say video optimization checklist, the title is okay, the tag is okay, description is okay, card is okay. The one that is not okay is the one they tick bad, but the one that is okay, as you can see, almost 85% of the video optimization checklist is being checked good. Another way you can also use to find the best viral tag for YouTube video in 2024 is through YouTube Large. YouTube Large, here I've opened my Google Chrome and I come here, I type UT Large, see it there, and I will say enter. As you can see, it has opened for me. What will I do? I will come to this place and take YouTube monetization checklist. Then I will come to the video I want to use to. I'll come here, open this place and copy this link, go back to this YouTube Large and paste it here. When I paste it, I will now put this code. I will put it here, then say enter. So it has opened and this is it. Then I'll come down and check the tag or the keyword that is being used in this video, and this is the keyword and the tag that is being used in this video. Then I can also copy it from there and paste it in the same place that I want to stay, the same place I'm storing the tags, so that I can use it when I want to make my video. You open a new tag, and the third one you can use to find the best viral tags for YouTube video in 2024 is called rapid tags. Rapid tags. Then this is the correct website, rapidtags.io. I click on it. Then it brings me to this place. I choose on use tag generator. Then I can come and paste what I want to search here, how to use CapCut. Then I will tell it to search. It has opened. As you can see, this one is very fast. It has opened. You can also use this site to generate your tags for TikTok. So it has opened. I come down. You can also use this website to generate your video intro, your thumbnails, your end card, the type of end tag supposed to use, channel banners, logos, and so forth and so on. And as you can see, it has bring out the tag I'm supposed to use in the video I want to shoot. Then I can as well copy it from here and tell it to copy, then also paste it in the place I want to go and copy it later. The last one is look up the tags used by competing video for more ideas. You can open any of the video that you want to any of the videos that you want to, like I show you on VidIQ, any of the videos that you want to use it and shoot, you can open it and see how those video tag was made and the type of tags they use on their video. And also, if you are making a short video, also make sure you put hashtag short in your video to enable it go viral. If you get any value in this video, please do well to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumb up, and see you in my next video. Bye.